What if a single zero could unlock infinite possibilities? What if learning wasn't just about theory, but building things that move, sense, and think? What if education wasn't the end goal, but just the beginning of real creation? Welcome to Zerobotics, the hub where future innovators gather and thrive. We're not another ed tech startup. We're a call to the creators, the problem solvers, the mad scientists, the ones who look at the world and whisper, "I can build better." At Zerobotics, we're creating the future's builders. Not followers, not spectators, builders. This isn't your YouTube crash course. This isn't a shortcut. This is sweat, code, precision, simulation, iteration, and something more. This is where robotics meets vision. Where you don't just pass tests, you pass thresholds. Where you don't just learn tools, you create them. Our systems are built to stretch you, break you, and then rebuild you into someone who can build anything. We don't sell certificates. We build capability. We don't talk about passion. We weaponize it. And when it's time, we don't pitch you to companies. We let companies pitch to you. Because at Zerobotics, you don't graduate. You emerge. 1-0, infinite possibilities. We are Zerobotics, and we are just getting started.